All right, before I show you the race, I want to show you pre-race week. The week before the race is taper. It's all about getting lots of carbs, but it really is like packing and pulling in all the last minute things. And so this is kind of hodgepodge. It's kind of a vlog style of what my week before the race looked like and the final packing. We're headed into Dollar Tree because I need a few things. I'm gonna see if I can get for the keys, a shower caddy. I forget what else was on my list, but a shower caddy to carry things for my crew from where they park the car to meet me. That was a suggestion of my coach, which I thought was a really good one. And I gotta see, what else are we looking for? I don't even remember, but we're just gonna pop in there and see if there's gonna be anything useful. All right, I better get a cart. Sorry. I don't know if you have been to your local Dollar Tree lately, but Dollar Tree has some really good things. I was kind of surprised, but I just kind of browsed the store, and I did have a list, but I just kind of browsed the store and, kind of went off my list, and then also just things that looked interesting and cute and fun. And there is a lot of cute things in Dollar Tree. But this was the shower caddy, and then this little sprayer was something that were recommended to me from my coach. This is kind of just to cool you down, while the shower caddy is to where the crew has to park and then bring things out to you on course. There's a little bit of a walk, so the idea was they would just fill it with water bottles, sunscreen, and little snacks in there and have it ready. So that was Dollar Tree. All right, so I've just got this minivan we're borrowing from friends, and they loaded me up with a Ninja cooler, a really steady cooler. There's supplies back there, and just a nice, minivan setup. This will be what we'll be crewing from. Opens from the side. Nice and organized, lots of chargers. So got that. And now I'm headed into Walgreens to get some nail polish to make some Keys nails, some Pedialyte, some alcohol, and just some like miscellaneous things that are still on my list. So let's go to Walgreens. All right, I determined that I did not need to walk you all the way through the Walgreens store, but you can see all of these fun, like bright colors. I had lots to choose from. Yo, yo. Hello. What do we got? Is it time for show and tell?
Show and tell about me, and then it's show and tell about you.
What you got?
Hi. I'm getting my color coordinated outfit.
Wow, you're already packing?
Get these out of the way.
Good job. I got to do this tonight.
Yeah. How cute is this? Sarah got me for this at Valhalla.
Oh, it's way cute. Psychedelic.
So, okay. Now I gotta get my headphones for when I'm tuning out whatever noise I need to.
Okay.
And then we're gonna come up here.
Okay.
And we have some Epsom salt we could bring with us.
Oh, lovely. Ooh,
But
magnesium
really, I just use that
flakes.
all the time. And then this is a little gift for you.
Oh,
Here's
nice.
our.
Yay!
Here's my headgear for at night.
Love it. Yes.
Here's our requested cooler. I had one, but the seal was busted.
Oh, great. Okay.
So now we have a new one for. Oh, and they made it different.
Can I open this?
Yeah, please do.
Oh, okay.
We're on YouTube now. Okay.
I don't know what it is yet. Is it earrings?
Of course. Mine come today.
Earrings? Oh my gosh, look at these. Okay.
I don't know if you can run in them, but I'll be, of course.
I'll be wearing, I don't know if I can run on them either with my detached earlobes, but I will definitely wear them this weekend. Okay, I love them.
Yeah.
All right, so here it is all laid out. I just gather stuff all week. I do make a checklist, but I gather stuff all week, and I just was collecting it on the table until I have almost everything, if not everything, checked off my list. And I try and like create sections. Like this is kind of a first aid section. This is kind of the food and hydration section. This is kind of gear, and then electronics and shoes, cooling, etc. So it's kind of like generally grouped, and now I'm gonna go through and I like to put as much as I can in these kind of bags that just make it easy for my crew to kind of pull out things that are similarly grouped, right? Like all the first aid things will go in one of these bags. As many of the gear things that I can fit will go in one of those bags. Hydration will go in one of those bags. And by hydration, of course, I mean electrolytes. But that's the idea. So I'm gonna get started on turning this big old pile of packables into something a little bit more organized. Here we go. All right, I figured I'd speed this up. This is a system that I used when I ran Pinhoti, so this is the second time I've used this system, and it does really keep things organized, which is crucial when you need Tylenol in the middle of the race or anything. Okay, we have kind of these are water flasks, although I need to make sure I have my hand held. Water flasks, arm sleeves, and cooling towels and ice buckets. Then we have, this is the hydration. It does have my Hyperlite in here. It's got my LMNT. It's got these two protein filled things that are super nice that help you get the Hyperlite into the water bottle. What's it called? A funnel. This is kind of protein options and higher fat options are in here. This is the electronics. I've got my headlamps. I see some headphones. My waistbands are in here. But kind of chargers are in there also, so electronics. This is my first aid section. I've got my sunscreen, Tylenol, extra contacts, contact solution, KT tape, lube, those kinds of things in there. This one is freaking heavy. It's heavy. This is all my gels. Oh, and shoes in here. So this is all my gels and shoes. And then these are real food options. Right now, just Rice Krispie treats, pistachios, which yes, technically could go in the higher fat option, but it's not going to. It's going in the real food option bag. So Rice Krispie treat, pistachios, cookies. I'll probably also get more PBJs, ginger snaps, and things like that. And then lastly is kind of a gear bag. So this will have my change of shoes, change of socks. It's got my vest. It's got a light up vest for at night for reflective. And just kind of gear in there. Then it's all going to go into, is it gonna fit? I don't know, we'll see. But in theory, it's all gonna go into this tote here, or as much of it as can, and then into the van. So that's what's happening next. Heavier ones are going in the bottom. That's how it's done. I'm excited about that. And then it was time to drive down. It was like the final countdown before the race, like the last 48 hours. So we drove down, got a little kooky on the way after so many hours of driving, but had a blast. Entering Big Cypress. Okay. Subway? That's the Spanish subway? Quebradita. Love all these little palm trees. Gotta have a song. Key Largo 2 miles.
Hey, I feel like this at least looked like it was gonna be worth doing.
I think it's going to. We just go up on that bridge.
Visitor center. I mean, that sounds like, if I was in was pulling over and there was an
Florida
Alabama.
Keys National something.
Gilbert's Resort
Oh.
Drive. Gilbert!
Yes. We're bringing the vibe.
We are. We're trying.
Okay, here we
We're
go.
giving a little slap happy.
I think
We're
so.
good.
I mean, just 6 hours in the car, you know,
Just,
what do you expect? Here we go.
Montego, baby, why don't we go
Key Largo.
off the Florida Keys? There's a place called.
Oh, check in, drive forward. Nice little view. I like it. Okay, that's probably where we can walk out.
Definitely.
Yay! Look at these little cutenesses. Where'd the other one go? Oh, there he is. Aw, little cuties. Oh, yes! Ocean Point Marina. We are at Skipper's Ice House. I think. Do you think that's the door? Okay, this way. Skipper.
Skippity doo dah.
Woo woo. Did you get a good picky?
I think so.
Oh, let's see these little
Oh,
cutenesses.
wow, it feels so good in here.
Yeah, it does. Meowsers. Hotel kitties. All right, what else do we need?
I think that's it. We probably should scoot it.
Turtles? Yeah, it's already 11:37. Look at these. These are my
No,
color.
that's what I was just going to tell you. Those are like spicy Cajun nothing here. But I am going to still be on the quest for a sun shirt that says SPF.
Those are a little big.
But I do want to have an SPF shirt that I know is...
Okay, 910. Whoopsies. That was a little wild. 910. Oh my god. 910. They might not have my size. Oh wait, here we go. Here we go. These might be too small.
Nope, I think they're perfect.
Yeah.
Those are...
Oh.
Do we need a flamingo?
Drink. Yes, we do.
We do. Okay. Also, look. These
What
go
are
on
they?
our straws.
Yes, we need that.
We do need that.
And in the water you got, right? Okay. All right, so we spent our time doing kind of random shopping, but then we also had to pick up my coach in Miami at the train station and bring her back. From there, we went to packet pickup. Wow, Miami, look at those yachts.
Miami.
The hotel tour. That's what Pitbull says to do.
Hotel, motel, holiday inn.
That's right.
Tell Megan what she told you.
Sodium. Get that sodium. Do not get low in sodium, she said.
All right.
I think so.
Peggy right there.
All right. Amy! Hi! I'm coming in for a hug, Amy. All right.
Shauna.
Yeah, Shauna. Yeah, sorry, that's the last name.
You're good. How are we feeling for tomorrow, Shauna?
Excited.
Let's
A
go.
little nervous,
You're
but
gonna crush it out
excited.
there.
Thank you. Woo-hoo! There it is.
This is 2 for your crew, and you'll get yours.
Hey.
We'll get yours when you get your shirt.
Okay, perfect.
I'll take this.
These are your food and drink tickets for after the race.
What you got going here? Woo!
I got numbers and bugs.
All right, what? Tape it where?
I'm gonna just number you. And then
Over here. Okay. Like this? Okay.
Much better than blue tape.
That's cute. I like it. Woo-hoo! Yes. All right. I always feel like it's a little bit of a mix of nervousness and excitedness, and then this combination of like, is this really happening? Now I know it's like, this kind of feels surreal, which I know is a silly thing because obviously I've been training for a month, mentally and physically. But I feel like that at the beginning, the night before the race. But I definitely was excited. I was really excited and like ready to take it on, because you prepare and you prepare and you prepare, for the months of training that you do. And then this like final week of like carb up, rest, taper, pack all the things. And then it's like, okay, game time, baby. But there's that, but there also is like, we're going to run what? Which I know is so silly, but I'm just being, authentic and real with you guys. That said, I was ready to toe the line and I was excited to toe the line. So next video is me towing that line and what that looked like for me. Spoiler alert, I loved it. So I hope that you'll come along on that journey with me as well. Bye, thank you.